Everybody. This is Prashanti Dasri. I'm from India and I'm actually a born Christian, and I migrated to Dubai recently, August 2011. And I happened to, I came to know about Islam. And my brother also here is in Dubai, and he keeps telling us about Allah. I'm really convinced, and with all the whatever knowledge that he shared with me, I'm totally convinced, and that Islam is the straightforward religion, and Allah is Alpha, His Omega, He's the beginning and He's last. We cannot see sun more than 10 minutes. So how can we see a creator? So I'm totally convinced, but there are some questions, that we have doubts, because since I'm a born Christian, I have total four questions to Brother Zakir Naik. The first question is, Brother, I've been listening to your videos, in YouTube, that you were talking about the Holy Spirit, and you specifically mentioned that Holy Spirit exists. So I just wanted to know, is Holy Spirit there in Islam according to Quran? And also there is a verse in Old Testament Bible that the Spirit of God is hovering over the waters. Spirit of God. So is Holy Spirit a separate from Allah? This is my question.
Sisters asked two questions. Question number one is that there is Holy Spirit. What is the meaning and who is this Holy Spirit as per the Quran, as per Islam, as compared to Christianity? And the Bible does say that the Spirit of God hovers above the water. What does it mean? Is the Holy Spirit separate than God? Sister, I've asked two questions. If I answer these two questions, will you accept Islam?
I have totally four questions. So
Okay, so you want me to answer the first two and then you'll ask the next two questions?
No, yeah, absolutely. I'm 70%, I'm convinced, whatever knowledge that my brother shared with me, and I've been watching your videos, I'm 70% convinced. I'm being very honest and very transparent.
So inshallah, if the four questions are answered,
Yes,
if you're convinced 100%, you'll accept Islam.
inshallah, I will accept Islam.
The sister asked two questions and after she'll ask the other two questions.